Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shot my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
So, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Fatima Sharifa J. Asim. Welcome to my mini math lesson vlog. So, today I will teach you how to solve GEMDAS rule in mathematics grade 5. The GEMDAS rule tells us the order to follow when solving math with many steps. So, GEMDAS meaning G is grouping symbol like parentheses, brackets, and braces. So, M, multiplication, D, division, A, addition, and S, subtraction.
Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy.
So, example number 1 is 7, close open parentheses, 5 times 2 plus 8. So, sa rule ng GEMDAS is yung mauuna yung grouping symbol. So, which is yung nasa loob ng parentheses, braces, and brackets. Then, so, dito sa number 1 is yung mauuna is yung nasa loob ng close open parentheses. 5 times 2. So, 5 times 2 equals 10. So, dito sa second step is multiplication. Dahil wala naman tayong grouping symbol. So, mapupunta tayo sa multiplication. So, 7 times 10 equals 70. Then, ipa-plus natin sa 8. So, 70 plus 8 equals 78. So, number 2 example is 14 plus 8 divide 2 times 5. So, sa GEMDAS rule is yung mauuna yung grouping. So, since dito sa number 2, wala naman tayong grouping, is ang isosolve natin muna yung multiplication or division. So, dito, sa multiplication and division, do multiplication and division from left to right. Ang ibig sabihin, pag may operasyon na times or divide, ang mauuna natin isusolve yung nasa kanan bago ang nasa kaliwa. So, dito sa number 2 na to, ang mauuna is 8 divide 2. Kasi nga, siya yung nasa kanan. Kaya siya yung mauuna natin isolve. So, 8 divide 2 equals 4. Then, solve natin muna yung multiplication. Kasi nga, pagkatapos ng grouping symbol, multiplication or division, and addition and subtraction. So, ito solve natin muna dito yung 4 times 5. So, 4 times 5 equals 20. Then, yung 14 na to, ipa-plus natin sa 20 is magiging 34. So, number 3 example is close open parentheses, 7 plus 9 divide 2 minus 3. So, sa GEMDAS rule, yung mauuna is yung grouping, then multiplication or division, and addition and subtraction. So, dito sa number 3, ang mauuna is yung grouping symbol, which is yung parentheses. So, isusolve natin muna yung 7 plus 9. So, 7 plus 9 equals 16. Then, dito naman sa second step na to, yung wala naman tayong grouping symbol and then wala tayong multiplication, doon naman tayo sa division. So, 16 divide 2 equals 8. So, dito sa step 3 na to, wala naman tayong grouping symbol, multiplication, division, and addition. Doon naman tayo sa subtraction. So, 8 minus 3 equals 5.
Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shot my heart, boom, boom.